Hey guys, it's your girl Georgette here. How are you all doing today? What's up? So today, last week, my mentor spoke about 3 P's to success. The 3 P's. And that is persistence is one of them. Then there's perseverance. And for sure, you got to have patience. But today I'm just going to talk about a persistent person. Wow, do you know a persistent person? Because a persistent person also sometimes can be very annoying. Yes, that's what I'm talking about today. Persistent. And guys, before we get more into this video and this topic, because it's quite interesting, I took notes. I have some notes as well. You see the red subscribe word? Smash it on that, guys. Come on. Smash it and subscribe to your girl channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like my content. After you listen, you like it, give me a thumbs up and share. Please share the content, the video. There are persons out there that need to hear what I'm about to talk about. Yeah, so please share it for your girl, like, and give me a comment below. Persistent. A persistent person. Let me tell you, persistence is a consistent, insistent. I heard Miles Monroe said that. It's a consistent, insistent, yes, insistence that you have when you're going after your goal. And that's my gentleman there, Dr. Miles Monroe. He died. God rest his soul. But he's such a motivational speaker. He's such a man of value, and so I was listening to him this morning and I took some notes here. But he said that persistence is a consistent insistence that you have that you're going after. Wow, I had to take notes of that. What is persistent, guys? It's a person who refuses to stop in spite of whatever struggle, roadblocks, detours, storm, hurricane, failure, whatever comes your way, guys. A persistent person never stops. It doesn't matter what comes your way. You never stop. And that's what persistence really is. I took some other notes as well. A persistent person goes after their goals no matter what, in the dark, in the light. And one thing Dr. Miles Monroe said as well, that your gift, your success that has been given to you, it's behind a locked door. Wow, that was powerful for me. He said that everything, the success in your marriage, the husband, the wife, everything that you desire, it is behind a locked door. It ain't gonna come to you easy, child. You gotta pry that locked door down. That means you gotta go through the struggle. You gotta go through the hardship. You gotta go through the days when you can't eat. You gotta use your last to pay your rent. You gotta take the bus if your car is down. You gotta ride a bicycle. It means that you will not just be successful. You will not just become wealthy. You will not just become have this great juicy marriage. You got to work for it. You got to pry the door down. And so that's one of the things he said that really got me today. Then you got to work for it. You got to sweat. By the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. It means that you got to work for your goals and your dreams. You got to work for that. You want great success? You know, it's like a girlfriend of mine. I like to tell you guys stories, huh? Yeah, but I know you like it anyhow. She and her husband, they could not conceive. And for years now, that's persistence. That's really persistence. For years and years and years, and she could not conceive. So they would have to go to the doctor, did all the stuff. I don't know, because I was blessed and I'm so grateful that I was able to conceive right after marriage. I conceived my older daughter, and then 6 years later, we planned my baby girl. And so they were so persistent, and that's what it takes. And today they have a beautiful baby boy. She traveled places just to see doctors. And today they have a beautiful baby boy. And so that's what persistence is when you just never quit. It's like my boy there, track and field star, you know, Bolt, Usain Bolt. If you listen to his story, and every successful person, they went through it. They've been through the desert. They've been through the storm. But when you sit back and you think about it, you got to push through, guys. You got to persevere. You got to be persistent, and perseverance is the other one. Perseverance is the other one, and then become patient. You know, I've become patient so much on my journey here because I had to learn that I have to first plant the seed. And then after I plant the seed, then I'm not going to see the tree tomorrow. And so now, in being persistent, I have to now go out there every day and water that seed. And after I water that seed every day, then I have to then weed around the seed, because you have weeds that will be growing up. And I have to prune before I can see the fruits. And so that's what persistent is. Being a persistent person, you just refuse. You just refuse to stop. And like Miles Monroe said, your goals and your dreams, the very thing that you're going after, it's behind a locked door. And you have to pry that door open. And how are you going to do that? Every day. Every day you pry a little. You pry a little. That means you're working towards your goals. You're working towards your dream. You're prying a little at a time. And then guess what, guys? One day when you go back to that door, it's just gonna be open, because you planted the seed and you water that seed every day. And then now you see the fruits on the tree. You pry that door every day, and one day the door is open because you've done the work. And so, guys, that's what being persistent is. Being resilient. Refusing to stop no matter what. You refuse to stop, and you will see the fruits of your labor one day. As long as you never quit, guys, as long as you never stop, you will see it, and so will I. So guys, remember to subscribe to your girl channel. Remember now, I'm going to leave a link below. There's a free gift in that link below. Yes, I said free. Click the link below, get your free gift. And there's also a program with the Mind Hack system that I'm on. It teaches you how to persevere. It teaches you habits and rituals that you need to develop each day. And as long as you never quit, guys, you will become that successful person. So click the link below, get your free gift, and subscribe and like. Until next time, it's your girl Georgette sending you much, much love and light. Mwah!